All right, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB. Let's get this red day recap over with. You already know I got my energy drink. We're off to an impeccably bad start on this challenge. Today I broke 1, 2, 3 rules, and then yesterday I broke a rule. So that's like 4 miles I got to run. The market just wasn't going in my favor. We'll start with yesterday. I ended up short in here, the worst possible spot. That got stopped out. I reversed it, went long. That worked out. But then after that, I kept trying to go long as the market kept going up, but I would just keep getting stopped out on pullbacks. So my last trade of the day was at like 335, and then going long here. That got stopped out, and we still ran another 100 points higher. So that was just my luck yesterday. Today was even worse. So like we had these zones that were getting respected pretty fairly pre-market, but then once market opened, that went out the window. So my first 2 trades, so right at like a little after market open, 15 minutes later, I ended up taking a short right here, hoping for a break. But then we kind of reversed. I had my stop placed up here at like 367, and I was short from 332. So it was like a 30-point stop loss. So just way too big of a stop loss than what I'm used to. So when it came all the way up here, I was like, let me just cut my losses early. I don't want to lose another $200 or whatever it was. So I covered for a loss, and then it ended up reversing. And then I was like, maybe we're going to bounce and go for longs. So I took a long, that got stopped out. And then I was like, let me try the short one more time. Tried the short again, and then again got stopped out. So I was like, you know what, whatever. I went to a second account, tried it again because I was like, I think the short really is going to work out. So I took it short. Ironically, I had the exact same entry, 332. And then I ended up being up like $300 here, but then it reversed, started to go up here. And same thing, I had my stop right up here at 367, but covered for a loss because I was like, let me just cut my losses early before it stops me out. So covered again right here, and then it ended up dumping right afterwards. So those 2 trades should have been over $1,000 each, but shot myself in the foot. After that, it was just pretty much a shit show. I went to the next account. I don't even know what I tried doing, longing, shorting, tried it all today. None of that worked out. So we started to pump here. I had this zone that I wanted to see act as resistance. So took a short there. That got stopped out here. Tried it again on this 15-minute close, and that was working out for a bit. I was up like $400. And then again, ended up reversing, going all the way up here. By that time I was done. I had already, lost 1,000 on this account. This one is actually 100K. Trade if I was doing a promotion for $15 just for this account, so I was like, we'll try it. But still, $1,000 is more than what I would have wanted to lose on this account, which would have been like 800 max. So yeah, just overall not a good day. These zones just weren't getting respected. This is what I'm working with. This spot right here was like an hourly support. So I wanted to see it reject, which it basically did. I mean, the closes, were below this level, but from 340 to 380, it's a 40-point wick. So just got annihilated here, and then we're finally starting to drop. So done for the day. We'll probably drop to this spot here overnight. So I'll probably gotta miss out on that. So just off to a horrible start. Thankfully, these are only combines, and I still haven't traded my funded account. Tick Trader still hasn't processed my payout, so still waiting on that. But yeah, not off to a hot start. But it's all good. We'll try it again tomorrow. All right, love you.